टॉपिक के ऊपर बात करें हैं। उस टॉपिक का नाम है डिजिटल फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंटर। डिजिटल फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंटर क्या होता है? इट इज़ सच अ इंस्ट्रूमेंट दैट इज़ यूज्ड टू मेजर द फ्रीक्वेंसी इन डिजिटल फॉर्म। सो दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज़ नोन एज डिजिटल फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंटर। यह सर्किट मुश्तमिल होता है फॉलोइंग पार्ट्स पे: एम्पलीफायर पे, सिमेट्रिक ट्रिगर सर्किट पे, क्रिस्टल ऑसिलेटर पे, स्टार्ट एंड स्टॉप गेट पे, काउंटर पे, डिस्प्ले पे। ये इसकी ब्लॉक डायग्राम है, ठीक है, जिसमें हम इनपुट सिग्नल देते हैं। इनपुट सिग्नल जब एम्पलीफायर से गुजरता है तो एम्पलीफायर को एम्पलीफाई करके साइन वेव देता है, और फिर ये सेमेट ट्रिगर से गुजरता है तो साइन वेव जो होता है स्केयर वेव में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, और यहाँ से फिर ये होते हुए स्टार्ट एंड स्टॉप में जाता है। काउंटर जो होता है फर्दर इस पर काउंट करके इसको डिस्प्ले पे शो करता है। एक्सप्लेनेशन इसकी क्या है? एक्सप्लेनेशन में एम्पलीफायर आ जाता है। इट इज सच अ सेशन विच इज़ यूज टू एम्पलीफाई द इनपुट सिग्नल. Cymatic trigger circuit, it is such a circuit which is used to convert the input signal into pure digital. Crystal oscillator, it is such a clock oscillator which provides the fixed range of frequency. Divider, it is such a session which is used to divide the clock pulse which produced by the cymatic trigger circuit. Start and stop gate, it is such a circuit which consists of two input. One input consists of unknown frequency signal, whereas the second input is applied with signal which is defined by the divider. This gate compares between the both input. Counter, such a session which is used to count the coming signal from gate. Display, it is such a session which is consists of LED which show the unknown frequency signal in decibel number on the base of input signal. Digital instrument, it is such an instrument that measures the quantity and indicates the reading on the display in the form of number instead of pointer and scale. So this instrument is known as digital instrument. Working, for the understanding the working principle of digital instrument, we can draw the block diagram. Transducer, analog to digital converter, converter, decoder and display session. In this instrument, transducers correct the physical quantity into electrical signal. The producing signal from transducers apply on analog to digital converter, which convert into the binary digital signal. The producing signal from analog to digital converter apply on the counter, which do coding of this digital signal. Then these signals on the decoder, which convert into the electrical, which convert it into a decibel. This producing the signal apply on the display, which show the number with the help of LED. Merits, it is show the perfect reading. It can read, can also be easily. It show the reading very quickly. These are sensitive. It consume low power. It is a light in weight. Operating is so easy. Demerits, these are complicated in construction. These are expensive. These are affected by the change in temperature. These are mechanically work. Their repairing is expensive. Sound level, it is such an instrument that measures the sound pressure is known as sound level meter. It measures the sound level in the range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It consists of the following part: microphone, alternator, amplifier, weight, network, amplifier, rectifier, meter. Explanation: microphone, it is such an instrument which converts the sound wave into the electrical signal. Alternator, these are such a session which change the coming signal according to the output connected circuit. Amplifier, these are such a session which is used to amplify the signal according to the required of the output circuit. Weight network, it is such a session which is used to show the different frequency response characteristics. Rectifier, it is such a session which convert the input AC signal into DC signal. Meter, it is such a session which show the reading on its scale in the form of decibel. This is show a block diagram of sound level meter, a circuit that is used to find the unknown value of the resistance, capacitance and inductance. Wheatstone bridge, Maxwell Wayne bridge, Hayes bridge, Shearing bridge, Wayne bridge, universal bridge. Digital multimeter DMM, it is such an instrument that cannot use needle or scales to measure the resistance, voltage and current, thus it shows reading in the numeric form on its screen. This instrument consists of the following parts which are given below: ohm circuit, voltage circuit, current circuit, selector switch, AC to DC converter, analog to digital converter, counter, display. Explanation: ohm circuit, it is such a session that is used to active for the measure the unknown value of the resistance so that its value can be displayed on the screen. This is a block diagram of DMM voltage circuit. It is such a session in DMM that receive the unknown input voltage and used to measure current circuit. It is such a circuit in DMM that receive the unknown input current and process it will that the time so that its value show on the screen. Selector switch. It is such a switch present in this instrument that active the circuit for the selection of the circuit according to the input quality. AC to DC converter. It is such a session that is convert in its output AC signal into DC signal. Analog to digital converter. It is such a session that is used to convert analog to quantities into digital quantity. Counter. In this session that receive the digital signal from analog to digital converter and used to count this digital data display. It is such a session that consists of the different LED and it indicates the counted data in the form of number. Thank you so much.